We're gonna wash the John Deere today. This will be the first wash on the John Deere tractor, guys. Start with a tractor. Gotta have a tractor to wash. So this tractor, it looks clean, don't it? It looks clean, but never washed it yet. I've had this tractor a little over a month, and I've not washed it yet. Look at the tires. That ain't gonna do. I like to put my bucket kind of facing down so water won't stand in the bucket, and I can get underneath the bucket, which tends to get real dirty because that's the business end. The tractor's got a lot of pollen on it. It's got to go. To wash the John Deere tractor, you need a pressure washer. You need quality materials. Boom. Adams Megafoam. It's about to get serious. You need a good foam cannon, foam lance. Boom. There it is. All right, let's fix this. Let's fix the foam cannon. Foam cannon. Let's fix it up. I'm gonna show you how much product goes in here. Empty foam cannon container. Smells good. Maybe a little bit more. That's it. That's all you need. That's where you live on that. That's it. That's as much product as you need. Next, we're going to put the water in it. There you go, filled with water. Next, simply screw on the foam lance cap. If you haven't watched my other video on foam canning, the ultimate foam, check that out. I explained the 1.1 millimeter orifice that you change out in here to really get this amazing foam in action. From here, hook it on your pressure washer and get ready to live. Guys, this is it. This is country living on the high hog. This stuff smells nice. All right, let's roll. All right, I'm gassed back up. I think I actually broke a sweat. Let's watch this thing. Full bottle. Get the old tractor. Okay, I foamed the whole tractor. It took a whole bottle, but you remember how much super foam we use? Just about 1/4 of an inch, maybe 1/2 an inch. So got the tractor all foamed out good. Just let it sit. Just let it chill. Let it do its thing. It's baking right now, but like the opposite, it's baking off instead of baking on. I'm gonna let it marinate for about 5 minutes. Go ahead and pop in my rinse off nozzle. I'm not really gonna scrub this tractor much. I'm sure in the winter time, coming out of winter, feeding hay and all that stuff, or if I start bush hogging, I might scrub some, but I'm not gonna scrub the paint on this brand new tractor. I may wash it with a terry cloth, something soft, but I'm not gonna scratch the paint. That's just me. But it's not dirty. It wasn't dirty enough to even do any scrubbing really. I'm just gonna let it soak and run off, and let's see how clean I can get it. Five minutes has gone by. Still got some foam on the tractor, which is good. The tractor's not completely dried out, which is good. Of course, there's no sun today, which is good, but it's starting to drizzle. And there's not supposed to be any rain, but it's starting to drizzle. So I guess I'm gonna spray it off, try to let it dry out as much as possible, and then put her up, put her in her stall. Let's wash it off. Okay, the verdict on this, the foam worked pretty good today. The tractor was not really dirty at all. I was hoping that this could be a real good, quick, easy way to wash your tractor, to really deep clean it, but I don't think it is. You're still going to need some tire cleaner, probably some bleach white. You're still going to need some elbow grease. I'm just going to have to research what I want to use on the tractor because I don't really want to scratch it or put swirl marks in it. And it's not just me liking to keep everything pristine, which, you know, that's good. I believe if the Lord blesses you with it, you better take care of it. But the whole reason you want to keep your tractor maintained, in good shape, keep it tidy, as another guy I like to watch across the ocean says, keep it tidy, is because, hey, you may want to trade in your tractor. You may need a bigger tractor. You may want a cab tractor. You may want a smaller tractor. So the better you keep your tractor, the better look-wise, maintain it, keep it parked in the dry, you know, really just take care of it, the better. The more money you're going to get at trade in, the more somebody's going to look at it and say, you know what, whoever had this tractor took care of it, yeah, I'll pay that price. Or I'll give you this for trade in because it's nice. You want to keep your hours good, but hey, it's here to work. It's here to make you money. Not really make you money, but secure your money. That's a better way to think about this. This will help secure my money on the farm. This is my tool, but I'm going to take care of it. And I'm going to make sure it's clean, make sure it's maintained. The 10-hour service on this tractor is you want to check your bolts, check your lug bolts on your tires. Of course, you want to hit everything with the grease. Check all your fluids, and you need to drain your sediment bowl on your diesel. I believe that's about it on your 10-hour maintenance. Guys, check out my brother's channel. I've got 2 brothers that are heavy on YouTube. So between the 3 of our channels, we've got your small family farm, homestead, whatever covered. If you've got questions on gardening, woodworking, remodeling, self-sustainability, cattle farming, we can hook you up, guys. We've been there, we've done it. I've been cattle farming for 20 years, and I've not seen it all by any means, but I've seen enough to help steer you or help guide you maybe in the right direction on your operation. Guys, thanks for watching. God bless you. Take care of your neighbors, and love your neighbors yourself. Be excellent to one another. Be excellent to one another. Mohawk Valley Herefords. Thanks for subscribing, guys. Hit that like button. Hit that notify icon. So when I do a video, you'll know about it. Thanks for watching.